While everyone's busy arguing about AI ethics and ChatGPT prompts, freelancers and small businesses are using AI to quietly triple their income. They're automating sales, websites, and customer support while the rest of the world's still typing. In a minute, I'll show you how they're doing it. AI isn't just for big tech companies anymore. It's the secret weapon small teams and solo businesses are using to get ahead. You can build a website in minutes, write better emails in seconds, and let AI handle clients while you focus on work that actually matters. The catch here is that there are hundreds of tools out there, and most of them overpromise and underdeliver. So we tested everything to find the ones that really make a difference. And in this video, you'll see 10 AI tools that help you build, grow, and automate your business without needing a tech team or massive budget. Hi everybody, and welcome back to Website Planet, where we make tools make sense so you can actually use them the right way. Let's start with the one thing every business needs first, a website that practically builds itself. Meet Wix Studio, basically your new web designer that never asks for revisions. You just tell it what to do and it builds you the whole thing. That includes layouts, visuals, copy, everything. Say you run a bakery or design logos for clients, and in a few minutes, you've got a full site ready to publish. It even fixes the layout automatically for every screen so it looks good on desktop, tablet, and phone. There's no coding or dragging boxes around mindlessly, just a clean professional site that actually works. It's great for freelancers or small teams that need something fast without hiring a developer. Then there's Squarespace, which is all about simplicity and polish. Its new Bigin AI guides you through setup, writes product descriptions, and even suggests layouts that make your business look like it came out of a design studio. You get a site that is beautiful right out of the box with almost no work on your end. So if you want to spend more time running your business and less time designing it, then this one is a pick for you. And if you're completely solo, Durable is ridiculously fast. You type one sentence, something like create a website for a local photographer, and it just does it. It writes your copy, chooses images, builds a contract form, and even gives you an invoicing tool and a mini CRM. Durable is less of a website builder and more like an instant business setup. Now your website's live, it looks sharp, and it's working for you. So next you need people to actually find you and book you. So let's start with one of my personal favorites. You know that back and forth nightmare of trying to schedule a meeting? Calendly kills all of that. The AI routing feature looks at who's visiting your site, asks a few smart questions, and then sends the right people straight to your calendar. Forget about inbox ping pong or lost leads. It can even connect with your CRM, so every new booking shows up automatically. Basically, while you sleep, Calendly is setting up tomorrow's client calls. Next, let's talk about Pipedrive and its AI sales assistant. This one is made for small teams or freelancers who want to stay organized without turning into a full-time salesperson. It tracks every deal you've got, reminds you who to follow up with, and even drafts quick email responses to keep conversations going. The thing is basically a virtual project manager that lives inside of your inbox. You get clear priorities every single day, and nothing slips through the cracks. And if your business is starting to grow, move to Zoho Bigin or the full Zoho CRM with Zia AI. Zia watches your customer data and predicts which leads are most likely to convert. It flags weird patterns, summarizes chats, and even gives you next step suggestions when you're not sure what to do next. It's surprisingly powerful for something that costs less than your daily coffee run. With these three tools, your client flow stops feeling completely random. People find you, book you, and get tracked automatically from day one, which means less time chasing leads and more time closing them. Once your leads start coming in, you'll need a solid way to reach out and get replies. There's a quick guide down below that walks you through how to write AI-powered outreach that really works. So once you've got leads coming in, the next step is keeping them interested. This is where AI starts saving you serious time. It can write your emails, choose the best subject lines, and even decide when to send them. Start with Mailchimp and its AI content optimizer. If you've ever stared at an email and thought, does this sound right? This tool fixes that. It checks your tone, structure, and subject line, then gives you suggestions that actually improve clicks. It also figures out when your audience is most likely to open your emails so you can hit send at the perfect moment. This means you end up sounding more professional without hiring a copywriter. If you're on a smaller budget, try Brevo, which used to be called Sendinblue. It has its own AI writing tools that help with subject lines, follow-ups, and full campaign sequences. It's simple, affordable, and great for freelancers or small businesses that just want results without all the extras. You can even connect these to tools like Zapier, which I'll cover later, to automate your campaigns completely. For example, when someone books a meeting or fills out a form, your system can send them a welcome email right away. No manual work or forgotten follow-ups to ruin your day ever again. And the best part is you don't need to shout louder to get noticed. You just need to sound smarter, and AI helps you do exactly that. And if you're still deciding which email platform to use, we've tested Mailchimp to see how good it really is, so be sure to check out that video too. Once your marketing's running itself, the next step is streamlining the work behind the scenes. Think client updates, project tracking, and endless admin. This is where automation starts feeling like you've cloned yourself. Start with Notion AI. It's more than a note-taking app now. You can ask it to summarize meetings, extract next steps, or write client reports in seconds. It even turns your rough notes into clean proposals or timelines that you can share instantly. And if you're juggling multiple clients, Notion becomes your command center, everything in one place and always up to date. For communication, Slack AI is a quiet game changer. It reads through your chats, finds key updates, and gives you daily recaps so you don't have to scroll through endless old messages. You can even ask questions like, "What did I miss while I was out?" and it'll pull together the highlights. As someone who personally uses this tool, it saves you hours every single week and keeps your team aligned without a million different meetings. If you manage a lot of tasks, then try ClickUp AI. It creates lists from plain text, writes progress updates, and drafts messages for your team. It's built for small teams that need structure but don't want another complicated tool. You spend less time managing projects and more time finishing them. And these tools don't just speed up work, they make it smoother. You'll notice fewer bottlenecks, fewer check-ins, and a lot more focus. Now that your business is running like a machine, it's time to make it look the part. AI isn't just great for automation, it can also help you design, write, and create faster than you thought possible. So let's start with Framer AI. This tool is a dream for anyone who builds websites or landing pages for clients. You type a short prompt like "create a modern portfolio site for a web designer," and Framer builds it on the spot. You can edit anything visually, switch up colors, and publish straight from the platform. It's fast, clean, and perfect for freelancers who want to impress clients without getting stuck in code. And if you want more control, Webflow AI gives you design freedom with smart assistants. It can rewrite your website copy, adjust layouts, and even suggest SEO improvements as you build. This gives you professional results without needing a huge design team. And it's a great fit for creative studios or small businesses that want something unique but still easy to manage. AI can also help you sound as good as you look. If you create content or videos, check out ElevenLabs. It generates realistic voiceovers that sound natural and human. You can choose from different tones or clone your own voice with your permission. And this is a really fast way to help produce consistent, high-quality audio for your videos or online ads. With tools like these, creativity becomes less about time and more about ideas. You spend less energy on repetitive work and more on things that make your brand stand out. And that brings us to the last part of this AI toolkit, pulling everything together into a system that keeps your business growing without burning you out. If you want to polish your designs even further, there's a quick tutorial linked down below that shows a few AI tricks designers are using to make their pages pop. So here's where we've landed. More than just a trend, AI has become the ultimate assistant for small businesses and freelancers who want to do more in less time. You can build your site with Wix Studio, Squarespace, or Durable, find and manage clients using Calendly, Pipedrive, or Zoho, run your marketing with Mailchimp or Brevo, keep projects on track in Notion, Slack, or ClickUp, and add a creative spark with Framer, Webflow, or ElevenLabs. That's your entire business ecosystem running faster, smarter, and smoother, all powered by tools that you can use today. You don't need a big team or a big budget, just the right stack and the curiosity to start and learn how to use these tools. And if you're ready to build your own AI-powered website, then check out our deep dive on the best AI website builders that is linked down below. As always, thank you so much for watching Website Planets, and if you found this video to be helpful, be sure to hit subscribe and check out that builder guide next that'll show you exactly how to get started in minutes. We'll see you in the next video.